planets in the solar system. Do you know, kids, what are planets? No? Okay, today we are going to learn about planets. So let's start. There are revolving 8 planets around the Sun. It is called our solar system. Like this. Sun. The Sun is a medium-sized star. Do you know, kids? It is very hot. And the Sun is the main source of light for the all planets. Mercury. It is nearest and first planet to the Sun. And it is smallest planet. Venus. It is second planet from the Sun. Do you know, kids? It is the hottest planet. Earth is our planet. It is third planet from the Sun. It is blue in color because 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Do you know, kids? Earth is the living planet. Mars. It is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is often called red planet. Jupiter. It is fifth planet from the Sun and it is the biggest planet in the solar system. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and it is known for its rings. इसके चारों ओर rings होते हैं. Uranus, and it is seventh planet from the Sun. It is oldest planet. Neptune. It is eighth planet from the Sun and it is blue in color. So kids, today we have learned about our solar system and its planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, kids? Thanks for watching.